Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and today we're getting into this gorgeous kinky curly wig. You know I love the kinky curly wigs, and this one is a banger from UNice. Inside my box came with all these accessories, even a seam ripper, child. I have not seen one of these come with a wig ever. Those are good for removing combs, especially if you do like the ball cap method and you have no need for a comb in your wig. You can take it out. Inside is this cute little makeup brush, which is good for adding makeup to your hairline to try to have it blend into your skin. And then there's this elastic headband wrap for your edges, and this really beautiful satin robe in Barbie pink. So I'm pulling the hair out of the package, and girl, that reddish brown hit the sunlight and it started singing to me. This particular unit is a wear and go. You can get them without the baby hairs. This one came with, and I'm just showing you the cap construction. Inside is a nice little elastic band that's adjustable, and it also has a U-shaped silicone design around the neck for security so your wig doesn't go slipping off. And the lace inside is 6 by 4.5. So I'm gonna wear this as a true wear and go glueless wig, which means I am not using any glue or adhesives or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my strap and slap this wig on. I'm pulling it down to make sure that my head is covered and it's pretty secure, which is wild to me. I'm just making sure that it fits comfortably on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say sayonara to the baby hairs. And I'm gonna live in my truth, and my truth is that I do not like baby hairs on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of water to spray that back. Also, I noticed that even though the knots are really small, I could kind of see them a little bit. So I said, oh no, I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray. And this is some lace tint spray, and it is my skin match exactly. So now I'm going to keep this middle part, which I usually don't do, but I'm going to use my wax stick and I'm going to kind of tame these edges a little bit because they were unruly, child. You know, even try to, nobody can match you. So the hairline came pre-plucked. It also came pre-cut. So right now I'm just making sure to define my part. I'm using a little bit of my foundation and also some more lace tint powder, because sometimes when you're taking pictures with the flash, you can kind of see something going on your hairline. If you use powder, you can't see it. Just like when you use setting powder on your face, you use setting powder on your lace, girl. What? Write it down. So the really cool thing about curly units is that when you add water and mousse, they come alive. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm running section through section, some mousse and some water. I've saturated the strands, and I'm using my Denman brush to detangle and also define the curls. And sometimes you might have to cut a little bit of the ends off if they're not giving the curl that you want, and that's what I did. And look how juicy! They're juicy curls. Here's a good example of the difference. One side's defined, the other side's not. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. So now, because I don't have time to be sitting around waiting for my hair to dry, so I bust out my diffuser. And you know what? The more I was watching the show, I was watching the Hallmark Channel, the more I started hating this shirt. It's giving very much school marm. Okay, y'all ever watch the Hallmark Channel? I was watching this show called Where the Heart Is. After my hair has been dried about 90%, I'm gonna go in with this pick and fluff it out even more, because the bigger, the what? The better. I cut a little bit of the pieces in the front, some on the sides, because it is a pretty nice, thick, heavy wig. It's 150% density, so if it's a little heavy for you, by all means customize it. Frame that face, girl.
your mind be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You know play. All you do is
so there you can see it's completely glueless. I could take this off and toss it across the room when I get home if I wanted to. Freedom. So what I wanted to do is I really wanted to give you guys a really good shot of the texture of the hair. Do you see how those curls are popping? Oh my gosh.
You already got me now.
So anyway, that is the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys later. But honey, this fire engine brick red, I'm loving it and I'm here for it. Love you guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
So wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly.